Good morning. I just wanted to show you all a feature with the sign up for our PD that I didn't know if everyone would know about. So here you can see that I have a couple emails that have come in from my PD sign up. I'm going to go right over here to this top area. Of course, here in the email, it confirms what I signed up for, but all I have to do is click this symbol right here and it adds to my calendar. Now what's nice about this is I can then go into my calendar on my OPS calendar site just by clicking at the bottom. I can then go into my sessions. As you see, they're already here. Yours might be a different color depending on how you've set up your calendar. I can double click it. It will tell me exactly what I'm signed up for on the day, and what I like is this remind me feature. Now it sets it automatically for 15 minutes. Depending on what it is that I'm doing, I will either set my reminder for the day before, 5 minutes before, or like with this one, I'm going to set it for 30 minutes before so that it comes up as a reminder. Now, the way I have my calendar set up, it will also show a reminder on my phone, which makes it nice if I'm doing multiple things at once. So just a quick tutorial on that. I hope that helps everyone out.